So I've been seeing these Pinterest inspired textured art canvas pieces, and I really want to try it out to like spruce up my space a little bit. So that's what we're doing today. So if you want to see how we make this design, then make sure you keep on watching. So granted, I have seen the inspo on like Pinterest, but I don't really have a set design or shape that I actually want to go with. So I have my pencil and I think we're just gonna have to wing it. I'll start like drawing shapes in terms of what I think might work, and we'll see how we get on. As someone with zero artistic skills, having an eraser on hand literally makes the world of difference. So if you do make a marking and you don't like the look of it, you can literally just erase it and adjust it until it looks the way you actually want it to. So I've done the first step, which is the lines, and I can't lie guys, I think this looks really good. So the next step is I'm just going to take my sealant and I'm going to rip it apart. So by right, you could do it like this and kind of stick it that way, but I want to rip these apart. I think this is like the material that people use for like windows or something. If you do know that, just let me know. But I'm just tearing it apart, and then we're going to take one strip and stick it on. So this is a strip, so I'm just going to take that, like there's this yellow sticky piece, I'm just going to peel that and kind of stick it on. I've seen from the tutorials that you're supposed to leave like an inch from like the start of the canvas to where you're sticking it down, so I'm just going to make sure that I do that as well. What line am I going to do first? Let's start with this one. I'm so happy with what this is looking like right now. You could literally just end it here and leave it like this. I'm gonna paint it so it has more of a cohesive type finish to it. So I've put white paint in here. I'm literally just gonna take my paintbrush and paint all of it. The only thing that someone said in the video is that the sealant can lift up a little bit, so I'm literally just hoping and praying for the best. If it does, then I'll just find some other glue and like glue it down. So I've basically done the first one. For this second one, I'm thinking more like straight lines. So let's see if this one works out as well. Just a few things I feel like I've learned with the painting side of it. Definitely go in with a smaller paintbrush, that way you can get into the little corners if you need to, and you definitely want to do more than one layer, maybe 2, even 3 if you need to. So paint it once, dry, make sure it dries, and then go back in and paint it again, just to make sure that you are covering all bases of the canvas and it's coming out as neat and as glossy as possible. And the other thing that I would say is, as best as possible, paint in one direction so the end result looks the way you want it to as well. This is what my canvases came out looking like. Guys, I'm absolutely in love. Make sure you like and subscribe if you did enjoy this video, and if you're looking for more DIYs, then make sure you check out this video next.